Hello students, I am Prakash, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department of New Horizon College of Engineering, Malaprati, Bangalore. Today we will learn about curves. Okay. First, before starting with the experiment, we will learn what are the basics about the curves. Okay. If you see here, this is a simple curve. There are types of curves. Okay. So there are types of curves. There are different types. Simple curve, compound curve, reverse curve. Okay, so there are different kinds of curve. Today we will learn about simple curve. Okay, so what are the different components? Okay, components of curve, components of simple curve. Radius, this is one tangent, tangent at T1, tangent at T2. Okay. Now this we call this as back tangent. This is called as back tangent. This we call it as forward tangent or fore tangent. And this distance we call it as tangent distance. Okay. And this we call it as a deflection angle delta. This is equal to this. Okay, this is a deflection angle. This is a deflection angle. This line joining T1 and T2 we call it as long chord. Okay, line joining T1 and T2 we call it as a long chord. So these are the basic components of the simple curve. Today we are learning experiment number 3, that is to set out a simple curve using chain and tape by perpendicular offsets. He has given data as radius is 100 meter, radius of curve, and length of long chord as 50 meter. Okay. So what he has given is length of chord he has given as 15 meter. This is the length of long chord. Okay. Now you locate the midpoint. Locate the midpoint at a distance of 25 meter. We call this ordinate as mid ordinate. We call this as mid ordinate. Okay. So this is the mid ordinate of the curve. Now from here our x distance starts. Our x distance is from here to the other part, and x distance is this one. Okay. Now x is varying at a distance of 5 meter. This is ordinate at 5 meter. This is ordinate at 10 meter. This is ordinate at 15, ordinate at 20, ordinate at 25. Okay. So these are the ordinates which are equally spaced. Likewise, the right side part, ordinate at 5 meter, ordinate at 10 meter, ordinate at 15, 20 and 25. Okay. Now how do we calculate these ordinates? How do we calculate this mid ordinate? How do we calculate these ordinates? There are two formulas which you should have to remember. There is mid ordinate formula. Mid ordinate formula is given by this formula, r minus root of r square minus l by 2 whole square. Now this is the formula for mid ordinate. So plug in radius and length of the long chord, we will get the mid ordinate as 3.175. So this is our mid ordinate height. Now to find other ordinates, use this formula. To find other ordinates, use this formula. Okay. So this formula is to find ordinates at other. So Ox is equal to root of r square minus x square minus r minus rho. This is the formula for ordinates. So you plug in, if you want ordinate at 5 meter, so ordinate at 5 meter is, so plug in r, x, r and o, you will get ordinate at 5 meter. Likewise, ordinate at 10 meter, this is ordinate at 10 meter, so we got this value. So you enter all this x values, okay, 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter, 20 meter, 25 meter, for all the x values you find ordinates. So this is how we have found out here. You can see the value: ordinate at 5, ordinate at 10, ordinate at 15, ordinate at 20, ordinate at 25 is 0. So if you see, we have finally found out the ordinates. Okay. Okay, welcome to our third experiment, that is to erect a simple curve using perpendicular offsets from a long chord. So instruments which we are going to use is, there is one cross staff, you can see this is a cross staff. We are using chain which we have already laid down. We are using arrows, tape and ranging rod. Okay, so your first step is to erect a 50-meter length long cord. Okay, we have already erected a 50-meter length long cord. Okay, so one end we have fixed a ranging rod there, and we have bisected it to every 5 meter. Okay, we have fixed arrows at every 5 meter intervals. You can see arrows at every 5 meter intervals. Okay, so this is our midpoint of 50 meter, that is, this is the 25 meter length. Okay, from the beginning. So at this point we will place our cross staff. Okay, so once we place, so this is our midpoint, that is at a distance of 25 meter from the beginning. Okay, here we are placing a cross staff. Once we place a cross staff, one of the assistant should see through the slit and bisect that ranging rod. Okay, so once he is bisecting that ranging rod, at that very time another one should go through this, and he should bisect a ranging rod there, and he should place that ranging rod. Okay, so once it is bisected, so from here our mid ordinate length is 3.175. this is our mid ordinate length, that is 3.175. we should place a arrow there, so we should place a arrow at that point. Okay, so that is our mid ordinate point. Okay, now this is our second point. Okay, this is the 5 meter from the midpoint. This is the 5 meter interval from the midpoint. This is ordinate at 5 meter. Okay, so what we are going to do, again we are going to place our cross staff at this 5 meter. One of them will see through that and he will bisect that ranging rod, and another one will see through this and he will bisect the ranging rod. Okay, so once that ranging rod is bisected, we should have to measure a distance of 3.05. this is ordinate at 5 meter is 3.05 meter. Okay, so we should fix the arrow. Okay, so this is our ordinate at 5 meter. Okay, so next we will move on to ordinate at 10 meter. Okay, this is ordinate at 10 meter. Okay, same way you place the cross staff, you see through this, bisect that ranging rod, and through this you bisect one more ranging rod. Once the ranging rod is bisected, measure a distance of 2.67. this distance is 2.67. place a arrow, measure a distance of 2.67 and fix a arrow. So likewise you may erect a perpendiculars. Likewise you erect a perpendiculars at all the points, and then once you erect the perpendiculars, measure the ordinates and fix the arrows. That likewise our half curve is completed. Other half of the curve we should have to erect perpendiculars, and you should have to measure the ordinates and fix the arrows, and that's how we'll get the curve. Finally, after erecting all the perpendiculars and measuring the offsets, you can see we have erected a curve here using tape. You can see this tape we have laid out. So this is the half of the curve, the other half is on the other side. Okay, so you repeat the same procedure for the other half.